Welcome back. Now, another element that you have inside of Outlook that integrates with other applications in Microsoft 365 is going to be your calendar. And you're going to see it here on your left side menu, and you're going to have access to it. You can also access your calendar from your app menu. And if you go to your app menu and you look for your calendar, you'll see it here, and you can click on it to get access to it. Now, when you have date-related information, you will be able to see it here on your calendar. So as you are adding things from your elements, you should be able to manage them from your Outlook calendar. You can also create your own events by clicking the event button and then customizing your events and making them available. You can choose the view of the calendar that you want. The default setting is going to be the month, but you can change that to the week so you can see your week in its entirety as you make decisions. You are also going to have settings, and you'll see those settings here inside of your Outlook area. Well, if you were to use Microsoft To Do and you were to plan a specific task. Now, as of the recording of this video, only your appointments are going to appear on your calendar. Currently, you will not be able to make your tasks visible on your actual calendar. However, you can click this button in your toolbar and you can click the to-do list. What you can do is you can drag these events into your calendar, and you will then be able to see your tasks in your calendar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.